Hello my pretties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you my designer bag collection. Now before starting this video, I quickly wanted to mention few things. Firstly, I do not intend to show off anything. It's just that I like seeing other people's designer bag collection videos, so I thought I'll make one for you guys. Secondly, these bags are not bought with my money. My parents have bought me these bags, and thirdly, they have been collected over a period of 7 to 8 years, and I share these with my mom. So yeah, I quickly wanted to mention these things, and I hope you enjoy this video. So let's get started. First bag that I want to show you guys is my first ever designer bag, and this one is really special. So this is a basic black clutch bag which has a butterfly logo, and it has brand name written here, which is Armani Jeans, and has a zip as well. So I bought this bag around I think 7 years back, or 2013 or 14 में लिया था, and I used it a ton in my college life, but अभी मैं इसको use नहीं करती हूँ because this butterfly has lost its crystals. तो थोड़ी सी crystals निकल गए. I'm gonna get them fixed and then use it again because this is very special. The next bag is from Da Milano, and this is quite big. As you can see, the brand name is mentioned here, and I loved the color. I love the color, and I wanted a big bag during that time. I think I bought this in 2016. Now it has 2 compartments and a zip here to keep the cash, and then it has a zip at the back as well. I carried it whole time during my coaching days, and I think designing course ke time bhi I used to carry this bag every time, every day. So yeah, I again have used this a lot, and abhi main isko use nahi karti hu because I have lots of new bags. Next bag that I want to show you guys is by DKNY. This is how it looks. This is I think the 3rd bag that I bought. Actually, my brother got me this one from Singapore, and this is how it looks from inside. It is zipped at the back and comes with a strap. Next bag that I want to show you guys is
eternity later.
So this one is by Coach. Now ये bag लेते वक्त I was confused कि मैं MK लूँ या Coach लूँ. They do these bags in signature styles, and this brand thing mentioned all over, and इसमें एक zip है and 2 compartments. Strap है because I do not use this one. My mom uses this क्योंकि ये काफ़ी बड़ा है, and अभी I do not feel like carrying big bags. Instead I bought a smaller version from the same brand, and इस वाले बैग को मैं बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हूँ. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा. And you can see this C written all over, but in a lighter tone of brown. Easy to carry and cross body की तरह carry करके बहुत अच्छा लगता है, and it goes with every outfit, literally every outfit. So yeah, I like investing in bags जो हर एक outfit के साथ चले जाएं. Guys, I am unable to find the strap. This comes with a golden chain and a black strap, which makes it very convenient to carry as a crossbody and even as a handbag, like clutch की तरह भी इसको carry कर सकते हैं. So I bought this one from Delhi. I saved my money and bought this. So these are the 2 bags from Coach. This one being my current favorite. Next I want to show you this beauty. Now this is the cutest bag that I have, and guess the color. Fluorescent pink or neon pink, whatever you like to say. It has a rose gold chain, and this looks so cute. That's how it looks from inside. Cannot carry much stuff, but this looks really cute and can be a style statement. Bought this one from Dubai I think 4 years back, and ये वाला bag भी मैंने दुबई से लिया था. So whenever I go to Dubai, I pick up bags because they have some amazing collection, and वहाँ पे prices भी थोड़े better होते हैं as compared to here in India. I recently bought the same bag in a different color for my cousin because she got married, so I wanted to gift her something. So I bought the same bag in different color, and I got it for double the price. So yeah, I made a good deal. There's one more bag that I bought from the outlet mall Dubai. This one's from Valentino, again black color, comes with a gold chain and zips. So this is one of those bags where you can put in a lot of stuff. You can put like everything. I bought this one simply for the brand क्योंकि मुझे बहुत अच्छे प्राइस पे मिला था, बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट था इसके ऊपर. So I wanted to add this to my collection. And it looks pretty good, but अभी I do not feel like carrying big bags, तो अभी मैंने इसको इतना यूज़ नहीं किया. आगे मैं इसको यूज़ कर सकती हूँ. But yeah, this is how it looks, and this was a steal deal. Trust me. I'm not gonna tell you the price, but I got it at such an amazing price, guys. तो मैंने ले लिया. So these were the 3 bags that I bought from Dubai. अगर आप भी कभी दुबई जाते हैं, कोई जाता है रिलेटिव, and if you want to get like कुछ भी डिज़ाइनर कुछ भी चाहिए, so get it from there क्योंकि वहाँ outlets होते हैं, so you get them at a better price. Next bag that I want to show you is, let's show you the Gucci one. Guys, I quickly wanted to talk you through these 2 products from Mamaearth: the Ubtan face wash with turmeric and saffron, then the Ubtan night face mask. Though I'm not somebody who promotes skin lightening creams, but this one is really good for your tan removal as well. And traditionally, we all know Ubtan was used to get glowing skin and radiant skin. So yeah, it has all the ingredients that were traditionally used in Ubtan. So let's use the face wash first. So this is more like a scrub, and you can see the color. I feel like I'm applying homemade Ubtan because that's how fresh it feels. And I'm gonna concentrate it on my nose, chin and forehead because these are the areas where you generally have blackheads and whiteheads. So I'm gonna scrub here. Next I'm gonna be applying the night face mask, and look at this again, it is yellow. So these products are all natural, free from harmful chemicals. This is an Indian brand which is plastic positive. They have Plant Roots Initiative where they link your order to the tree that they plant. So yeah, they have some really good initiatives, and recently they have launched their app where you can easily shop from and you can get access to all the amazing discounts that they have. It feels really refreshing and cool. So I applied it all over my face, and so this is how my skin looks, and you can see it looks quite fresh and clean. So guys, if you wish to check out these products, you can go to the links in the description box and shop from there. I have a discount coupon code as well. You can use Arshia2021 at checkout for 20% off. Let's show you the Gucci one. This is my most expensive bag, and छोटा सा क्लच है फ्रॉम Gucci. ये मुझे गिफ्ट मिला था when Arishka was born. My brother got me this bag, and मेरी भाभी को भी मिला था. Yeah, this is a basic wallet. It has some cash, cards and strap मैं इसमें ऐड कर लेती. अभी मैंने इसमें अपना कैश ट्रांसफर किया and I'm gonna use it. I have one more wallet from Farla. ये वाला I bought this one for Mama. I love this print so much. I cannot tell you. I have like 4-5 tops or shirts वाले print के. So yeah, I bought one wallet as well in the same print. This one's by Farla. ये मैंने दिल्ली से लिया था, and ये थोड़ा सा basic wallet नहीं है, थोड़ा सा बड़ा है. This is how it looks from inside. Then I have this bag again from the same brand. I have 3 bags from Farla. So this is what the bag looks like. It has a silver chain, and this is how it opens. And I have one more Farla bag. ये भी by sister will it say, or Bicester or whatever. This one was from London. And guys, ये दोनों bags इतने ज़्यादा अच्छे प्राइस में मिले थे. वहाँ पे हम इनको लेंगे quite expensive, but वहाँ पे we got them at really good prices. And this one is black and white. Goes with lots of my outfits, and this is how it looks from inside. और मुझे इसका ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And I'm left with 3 bags, and all of them are from Charles & Keith. Now I loved this color, I loved this bag, I loved this detail, and it has a silver chain, and this is how it looks from inside. I like to carry it as a shoulder bag, and this one looks really stylish. I have this one. This is my new purchase, and this has a very fancy lock, and this is how it looks from inside. I think my mama picked this up before the lockdown. And then I have one more wallet from them. Also guys, you can check these online. I think you can get these if you know want to check these out. You can get it on Myntra or Amazon. I have this pretty wallet again from Charles and Keith, and iska bhi same lock hai. And so this is a basic wallet, very different color, and it has a gold chain, and I'm looking forward to be using these soon, I hope. So yeah, that's about the video. I hope you enjoyed, and that was my bag collection. Let me know your favorite bag in the comments down below, and let me know if you wish to see my shoe collection video as well. So let me know in the comments below, and I hope you enjoyed this one. And if you did, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment below, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'm gonna see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.